Welcome to AT Math Academy. Topic for today is graphing parabola. So let me write down the equation for the parabola. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 3 times x plus 2 whole square. So whenever we compare this to the standard equation, like y minus k is equal to a into x minus h whole square. This is a standard equation for the parabola where the center would be h comma k. So whenever I compare this with the standard form, my h value would be minus 2 and my k value would be 5. So I have my center as minus 2 comma 5. So this would be my first step. And my second step would be observing the sign here. Since I have negative sign here, minus 1 by 3, it represents parabola is pointing downwards. So you will be having a parabola that is facing downwards since you have negative sign. This is my second step. Now, my third step would be finding two more points. As I knew my center, I need to find out the points to the left and to the right, the equal distance points from the center. So for doing that, when I see minus 1 by 3 here, it means 3 units and the negative sign is 3 units down. So my current y value, let me write down the center here. From here, my current y value is 5. So it is moving 3 units down. So moving it 3 units down, new y value would be 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay. So now I'm going to take the new y value 2 and substitute in the above equation. Let us write down the equation first. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus 2 whole square. So my new y value is 2. I'm substituting my new y value. Taking new value. So 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 3 times x plus 2 whole square, which is minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x plus 2 whole square. When minus 1 by 3 goes to the opposite side, it becomes minus 3 times minus 3 is equal to x plus 2 whole square, which becomes 9 is equal to x plus 2 whole square. So for simplifying this, I'm going to take square root on both sides. Square root of x plus 2 whole square. So I'm going to get plus or minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. And my new x values would be two different values. For 3, when I take it as 3, I get a new value. So 3 is equal to x plus 2, which implies x value would be 1. And if I take it as minus 3 is equal to x plus 2, I'm going to get my x value as minus 5. Okay. So my new points would be 1 and 2 and minus 5 and 2. So now we got the left and right points. Now let's plot it. So this is my graph here. So my center is C minus 2 and 5. So this is minus 2 and this is 5. This is my center. And my two other points are 1 comma 2 is my first point. So this is my 1. And let's take this value as 2. Point this point. And my second point is minus 5 comma 2. So this is minus 5 and 2. So now let's join the points and this becomes the parabola. It goes down So, and my directrix would be this, x equal to minus 2. For the parabola, the directrix will be equal to x equal to h is the directrix. So here my h value is minus 2. So I'm drawing the directrix as x equal to minus 2. So this becomes the directrix here. Directrix is nothing but the line that is passing through the parabola that divides symmetrically. That divides the parabola symmetrically. So this is a total glimpse of the problem here. This is how you compare it to the standard parabola and find out the center. And since it is pointing negative side, it's facing downwards, and taking the y values, putting it into the x, we get the new points and graph. So hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to ET Math Academy. Thank you for taking time to watch this video, and enjoy doing math at ET. Thank you.